Well, hello, and welcome back to yet another Be Okay Media Life video, the place where we show you how to take budget items from a variety of places and turn them into high-end home decor. Let's see what we're gonna get into today. Okay, so the question for me today is, can you make farmhouse fit into a modern kitchen? And my answer is yes, and I'm gonna show that to you guys today with these 3 DIYs. Now, this very first one that I'm going to do, I'm using some cow iron-ons from Temu and some coasters that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to pull these together to make some very cute, classy cow coasters. Say that 5 times really fast. Let's go. So as you guys can see here, I am just cutting pieces off of that kind of iron-on transfer and then just kind of aligning them on my coasters in a way that makes sense to me, really still trying to keep the essence of the cow. As I'm doing this, I want to talk about my girl, Donna, the Creole crafter. She is part of this collaboration with me. And when I think of farmhouse, I think about Donna. She does farmhouse so well. If you love farmhouse, you need to be over at the Creole Crafters channel. That is where farmhouse lives. Now, that being said, Donna does not just do farmhouse. She also does modern and so many other things. Make sure when you guys finish up here, you take a look at her video. I am very much so loving these. And because of that black and the simplicity, I do feel like these can be incorporated into a modern kitchen. You guys let me know if you feel the same way. So we are going to keep keeping it simple because that's what's going to help us incorporate these things into our modern kitchen. So I am just taking one of those shelves from the Dollar Tree and then some wooden farm cutouts from Hobby Lobby, as well as some half beads. And I'm just going to pull these into a beautiful shelf sitter that I can add to a vignette in my kitchen. Let me show you what I did. As we are pulling these items together, I want to talk about another person I'm collaborating with today, which is my girl Tawanda from Tawanda's Blessed Life. Now, when I think about Tawanda, I think about somebody who knows how to put things together to make a beautiful, beautiful home. Tawanda's home is amazing to me, and she fills it with items that she both thrifts and crafts. If you are a person who has a very eclectic style and you like things to be filling your home and bringing light and love, Tawanda is definitely somebody that you need to be paying attention to. When you guys finish up here, make sure to head over there and see what she did in her video. So of course, this one is just cute, easy, and again, very, very simple, but I love it because I can just sneak this in my kitchen into the middle of all of that modern stuff and it will look perfect. So this next DIY is my attempt to take a leftover from last season and do something different with it. Use it in a way that would not be intended. And so what we're going to do is try to make a little bit of a cutting board. Super, super easy, super, super simple. And you guys will watch as this comes together. As I finish this DIY up, I want to talk about my girl Joy from Joyful Designs. She's also part of this collaboration, and as I was making this, in my head, I could hear her screaming, "Girl, you better put some jute on that handle." Okay? Because if you know Joy, Joy loves jute. That's her style though. She has such a beautiful creativity to her. She's willing to take the risks. 99% of the time, she comes out on top with those risks. If you have a style that doesn't necessarily fit in a pocket and you love to find different creative inspiration, make sure that you go check out Joy's channel. She has so much of it there. Yet another easy one down in the books, and yes, to me this black and that perfectly stained Waverly color, you guys know how much I love Waverly, is great for my modern decor. If you wanted to make this more farmhouse, you could certainly distress it, but for me, this is perfect. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Well, as always, I thank you guys so much for taking a moment to watch this video. Make sure that you guys head over to my description box so that you can see links to all of the other ladies' videos. Also, let me know, what is your style? Are you more farmhouse? Are you more modern like me? Are you somewhere in between? Do you feel like these pieces can be incorporated into your decor? And of course, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, I invite you to come back, hang out, and be okay with us.